Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love keeping track of all of my stats throughout the day to see how I'm doing. And that's why I really appreciate this Fitpolo smartwatch. It tracks your steps, your activities. It has 9 different exercises that you can put on there, from hiking to walking. Even if you are just doing a workout video, it tracks your heart rate, it has GPS, and it's waterproof. I don't need to take it off for when I take a shower or when I'm going swimming. I love how easy the app is. You just download the Very Fit Pro app and it will sync with this. When you went into the app, it prompted you to do the basics, like if you wanted to set an alarm, if you wanted it to alert you for text messages or calls. It pops up on its own for you once you enter in the app so that you don't forget to set all of the important features. The actual interface on the watch, again, very easy to use. It has a button on the side that will light it up, and you can scroll to see all of your facts, how many steps you've made, how many miles you've gone, how many calories you've burned. You have your heart rate. It's so nice to be able to track how well I'm sleeping, how active I've been in the day, and also to know if someone's trying to get a hold of me, because it's difficult to always carry my phone. I absolutely love this, and I think you're going to too, but that's my point of view.